from a different star, flying over streets and our broken hearts. But they can't even touch us, we found a different beat.
Hey everyone, welcome to the Jen Spice channel. My name is Jennifer Olson and I am the creator for this channel. On this channel you will find all sorts of soap products. You can watch me make them, and then if you're interested in what you see, just head on over to my Etsy shop at www.gentlesoaps.com and you can get some for your very own. I make little guest soap, I make fancy soap, I make all natural soap, I make glycerin soap with fresh fruit, and I even make fun little gummy bear soap for the kids. I made a giant one. It's one of my favorites. So I make soap. I make lots and lots of soap. So if you're interested in soap, head on over to the Making Artisan Soap playlist. I also do a playlist called Melt and Pour Magic. So if you aren't into creating soap from scratch, then you can head over to Melt and Pour Magic. Also create cold process liquid soap, which is a little different from other soap makers. Cold process takes a lot longer, but it's a lot easier to create. And so if you have time, just like if you have time with your cold process soap, give the cold process liquid soap a try. It's super fun and super easy. So that's where you'll see me create with those. I also make fizzy bath treats. So I have all sorts of different bath bombs, and my favorite thing to do with them is to create bath art. So the bath bomb itself is pretty basic, but when you put it in the water, that's when the magic begins. And as I learn new things, I'll share them with you. I also make candles and wax products, so there is a playlist for that. Way to Soapy Minute series. That Way to Soapy Minute series also includes inspiration for creating your own soapy creations and some great shortcuts and cost-saving ideas as well, so for creating your own supplies. In beauty products for men and women, I cover lotions and creams and perfumes and dry shampoos and all sorts of anything that's not soap, you'll find it there. Next we have our edible creations. Now in the edible creations playlist, that's where I show you some of my soapy inspiration in an edible form. I know so many people say, oh Jen, your soap is so good, it's enough to eat. Well, you can't, but I'll show you what inspired some of my soapy creations in the edible creations playlist. And last but not least is my favorites list. In my favorites, you'll find links to all of my YouTube family and all of the creators out there that I think are fantastic. Other soap makers are there, a lot of really fun content. So if you want to just throw on a fun playlist, that one's really good too. So I hope you enjoy your stay here at the Jen Spice channel. And if there's something you want me to make, tell me. I love doing custom orders, and I also love being challenged in the soapy kitchen. So come on back anytime. Come on back to my soapy kitchen anytime, and I'll be so glad to see you.
We're moving through the night like we're from a different star.